Welcome back to the channel guys. Hope you are all doing great. Today I'll show you how to lock a row in Excel so it stays visible when you scroll. Super useful for header or important info, so let's jump right into it. First you have to open your Excel sheet and click on the row number just below the row you want to lock. Suppose if I want to lock the number 1, I will need to be clicking on the number 2, and now go to the view tab, and here you can simply click on the freeze pin option over here. This locks all the row above your section so your chosen row stays visible when you scroll down. As you can see, my chosen row is already visible, that is A and B of number 1. To unlock it, simply go to the view tab again and simply click on freeze pins, and that's how you can lock a row in Excel. Super easy and super handy. If you want to unlock as well, this is the same procedure. If this video helped you out, hit the like button, comment with any questions you have, and subscribe for more quick Excel tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.